In this video lesson, we shall learn about the use of the switch statements in a Java program. Our program receives the day number as input and accordingly displays the day. For example, 1 is input by the user, then it displays Monday. If the user inputs 2, then Tuesday, and so on. So we have to start a new project, Java application. Okay. Now first of all, we have to use the import statement to import Java dot util dot scanner, and let us create an object of the class scanner, and we are giving the reference to the input device. Okay, now we have a variable day, single integer variable day, and day equals to s1 dot next int, because we want to receive the integer value in the day variable, which is of data type integer. Now we want to check what exactly is there in day. Switch day, the day variable is being tested, and switch day. Now we are writing case 1. What does it mean? If day equals to 1, then we have to print system dot out dot println, and it is Monday. Okay, let us copy and break. Let us copy these codes. Control C, Control B, case 2 for Tuesday, case 3 for Wednesday, case 4 for Thursday. It's a very simple program basically. We are using a switch statement, and how we can build different cases. Case 5, it is Friday. Case 6, Control V, it is Saturday. And case 7, then it is Sunday. Okay. Now let us run this program and see what happens. Okay, it's showing 1, then Monday. Now let us, before actually extracting the value from the user, let us display appropriate message for that same system.out.println, print new line, enter day number. Okay, and let us run this program. Okay, so system is asking us the day number. We are inputting 1 and it is displaying Monday. And if we input here 2, it's displaying Tuesday. If we input here 5, it is displaying Friday. If input here say 7, so it should display, it is displaying basically Sunday. And if I input a number other than the numbers between 1 to 7, suppose 8, so nothing is done. Okay, so how this program works actually, with the help of the next INT method of the class scanner, we are extracting the value from the user and we are assigning it to day. Now this day variable is being tested for different cases. If the value of day is 1, then this statement needs to be executed and break. Okay, and if day equals to 2, then first case is false, then these statements are not executed, and the second case is tested. If it is true, then the statements that we have put under the case 2, they are executed, and so on. Okay, we have not put the default statement. So default is optional basically. We can put default, we can use default, and the syntax to use the default statement is default, and we write the colon. Okay, and we have to write here system.out.println system.out.println wrong input or invalid day number. We are supposing that the valid day numbers are from 1 to 7, so invalid day or day number, whatever. If you run this program and we see that enter day number, we are inputting this time 3, so it's displaying Wednesday. If we input 6, so it's displaying Saturday. And if we input say 8, 9 or 10, so it's displaying us invalid day. 8, in case of 8, it is invalid day, and if I input 9, it's again invalid day. It means if none of the cases are matched with the value of the day, then in that case default case is considered, and whatever statements we put under the default case, then those statements get executed. Okay, now let us see the importance of this break statement. Actually, break statement causes the control to be transferred out of the switch statement. Now suppose here we've written case 1, then print Monday, then break, and case 2 system.out.println Tuesday and break. Suppose we omit this break statement, we don't put the break statement, and we directly put the case 3. Okay, case 3. Then what happens? Now we have case 1, then we have print statement and break. Then we have case 2, then print statement, and we have not put intentionally, we have not put the break statement. And let us execute this program. What happens? Okay, for day 1, it's Monday, no problem. Day 3, it is Wednesday, no problem. Program is working fine. But if you put day 2, then what is the expected output? Now day 2, the value of day equals to 2, and the first case is false, then it will compare with the second case, 2 equals to 2. Okay, Tuesday should be printed. Then this case 3. Now the value of day equals to 2, and we have third case. Will it be compared or not? Surprisingly, if we input the value of day equals to 2, and we are finding here Tuesday and Wednesday. Now Wednesday comes under case 3, and the value of day that we have input is day 2, so it's taking a statement which is under case 3. So that we have to study why it is happening. Actually, we have not put the break statement. So if we don't put a break statement before a case, then the statements in the next case, they are also considered as the and are executed basically. So in case of if we don't put break statement after case 3, means we have not put the break statement after case 2 and case 3, then and we are inputting the value of day as 2. Suppose we are inputting the value of day as 2, so it should print us Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday. Yes, it is printing, it is doing so. Okay, and suppose we don't put the statements, break statements after 7 and 6. So what should happen? Okay, and we are inputting the value of day number to be 6. So see, for 6 we have Saturday, as we have not put the break statement after the before the case 7, so that's why the statements under case 7 they are also executed. And as after case or before default case we have not put the break statements, that is again treated and executed basically. So Saturday, Sunday, and invalid day. So from this example it should be clear that it is mandatory to put, not from the syntax point of view, but from the logic point of view of the from the logic of the program, it is mandatory to put break statements after the switch this case, after any case, or we can say before any case, except the first case. Before any other cases there has to be a break statement. That's how if this switch statement works. Generally in the CBSE examination this type of questions are asked, that you are given a problem and you are asked to predict the output of the program, that if this program is run then what will be the output. So we have to be very cautious about the break statement that we put in the switch statement. So if we now the program is normal, I think. If we put 1, we are getting Monday. If we input 2, we are getting Tuesday. If we are inputting 3, we are getting Wednesday. As we have put break statement after every case. If you're inputting 5, Friday, 6, Saturday, 7, Sunday, and